Here's some of the supplies you'll need for the Valentine's Day card. Most importantly, vinyl sticker paper and the foam board. So right here is printing out. And now we're getting ready to get started. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the jumbo Valentine's Day card, but I'm going to be doing the 8.5 by 11, being that I don't have a white format printer. So I have the plastic containers, I have the glue gun, the extra glue stick, I have the candy. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. Vinyl sticker paper, which is what this is printed on. Now I should have probably moved this down a little more, but we're just gonna go ahead and work with this. It'll be okay. Okay. So I'm gonna line this up. See if I even need this ruler. You know what? I probably don't even need it. I'll just go along the side of this. And I didn't even do that right either. Okay. I was thinking it would probably be easier to just paste it right on, but we'll try it this way. I messed up a little bit, but it's okay. Okay. Back. Then we're gonna take this. Let's turn our hot glue gun on. Is it even plugged in? I don't know. Let me plug it in. Okay. Our hot glue gun is plugged up. So let's go ahead and peel this off. Here's your sticker paper, so it should peel right off. To get our plastic container. Looking for a more flush, for the flush side. Okay, so we got the flush side. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I like it like that. So I'm gonna go with that. And just center it. Okay. So let me get some of my double-sided tape. That's what I forgot. these right there. I may not even need all this other stuff. That I'm not gonna put no tape on. I'm gonna just place it like that. I'm gonna do a little bit right here. Or maybe this one. Okay. Then we're gonna take some hot glue, and I'm just gonna, let's see, just squeeze this in. Oh, okay. So I need to, now I see I gotta squeeze this in a little bit more. It's the first time I'm doing it, so I'm just showing how I'm doing it. So sometimes this stuff takes trial and error. I don't even know. Yeah, this is how I had it. I'm just gonna hot glue the sides down. Yeah. Not gonna do too much, okay? And so then there you have it. Simple as that.